Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you how you can connect this kind of PC case fan to your motherboard if this fan comes with 6-pin connector. 6-pin, and if your motherboard have no 6-pin connectors, usually motherboard have 3 or 4-pin connector for PC case fans, because this kind of fans need to be connected by using some fan hub or something like that, fan controller or something like that. But my PC case, my motherboard have no this controller, so I start to discovering how can I connect it. And first I find in the internet pinout for this connector. So let's count from left to right side. And when we counting from left to right, first one is 12 volt, second one is ground, third one is 12 volt for LED light of fan, and 4th, 5 and 6 is RGB signals for adjust LED lights by color. And then when we know pinout of our 6-pin connector, now we need to know pinout of connectors on the motherboard. For example, this one is 3-pin fan connector on motherboard, and this one is 4-pin connector on motherboard. So first, for example, if a key of connector, this one is key of connector and this one black plate is key of connector. For example, in this connector, if the key of connector is on right side, so we need start to count from lower side to upper side, and from lower side first one will be ground and second one will be 12 volt. But in this case, if a key of connector, this plate, is on left side, so we need to count from upper side to lower side, and from upper side, first from upper side will be ground and second will be 12 volt. So next, when we get now pinout of 6-pin connector and pinouts of 3-pin or 4-pin connector, we can insert our fan to our motherboard. Let's start. And to connect it properly, we need to rotate this 6-pin connector like this. And now, after rotation, we need to insert this connector into this motherboard connector. And we need to connect only these 2 pins. On 6-pin connector is 2 upper pin, and on this motherboard connector is 2 lower pin. So now, as you can see, it's connected by this way. And by this kind of connection, this pin is connected to 12 volt, and second one, this one is connected to ground on motherboard connector. Now we can power on, and let's see. And now when we power it on, our fan is rotating. But what you need to know, that in this kind of connection, it will be working only for rotation. So there is no LED control, there is no adjustment of speed of this fan. Fan will be rotating on regular speed and you can't adjust it. But you need to connect your 6-pin fan to your 3 or 4-pin motherboard. That's only way, without any adapters or something like that, just to plug in your motherboard. This only one and easiest way how to make it. But fan will be rotating on regular speed, without any LED, without adjustment of speed, but it's working. So guys, thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please press like button, write some comment and subscribe to my channel.